I'm about to open up my next package that I received from Amazon. They don't have a receipt in here. But this is how it came, with no receipt. Okay. I ordered this from off of Amazon. This is for my master blend that I use to put inside, that I will be using to put inside my hydroponics. This makes 15 gallons, 5 gallons, 5 gallons, 5 gallons, 5 gallons. And it has the master blend mix that is used by, I will put his name in the description, mhpgradener. I know I'm pronouncing his name wrong, but he's from Arkansas. I've been watching his YouTube videos, and he uses this with his hydroponics, and I'm going to use this to put into my water when I begin my hydroponic system. It makes 5 gallons. I didn't want to order a whole lot because the system that I'm trying out is going to be small. I didn't want a big old, the big bags. All I want is a little bit because my system is going to be small. So this is what I got from off of Amazon. I will link in the description the Amazon buyer I purchased these from, and also the gentleman that I was watching on YouTube from Amazon that I got this idea from to use this to put into the hydroponics water. Okay. Please like and comment on my video and also share it. I thank you for your time.